SM3 manufactured in 1957. SM4 was manufactured in 1960. So I want to review SM3 and SM4. What is the difference? Okay. First, if we look at the spacebar, SM3 has no tap clear, tap set button around here, but the SM4 there is a tap clear button, tap set button. Because of this, also we can see the difference of the around here. The right side, SM4 has this one. This one is if you do like this, that means we can clear all taps just with this, okay? But there is no that kind of button because SM3 is we need tap setup manually behind here. Get that? Okay. This is behind. SM3 has a manual tap stops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. But SM4 we use the tap set or tap clear button in front next to the spacebar, so there is no that kind of test stop. So that's why it has this kind of thing. So if you do like this, we can clear all taps at one time. Okay, that's the another difference. Except that the keys looks like exactly the same. Just the color is different, right? This, and then both. It's called olive green colors. Yeah, it's a little bit looks like a different. That's I think because of the light. The light, yeah, it looks like the same. And then this color is different. And then another different thing for SM3, for carriage release button, right side, right? See, like this, right side, but no left side. No left side. That's the different. But SM4, there are both sides. Carry release. See, both sides. Then this one. That's the, I think, different. Except that, yeah, everything same. Very smooth. Very smooth. You can see the SM3 for the serial number. Oh, there is another thing. In the center, it said deluxe for SM3, but SM4 just like a S with the crown. Looks like a crown symbol. That's another difference. You can see the serial number here. According to the typewriter database, it was manufactured 1957. Still, it's like looks like brand new, very clean, no rust. Feed also, it's like a new feed, looks like, right? Yeah. And then okay, first look at this one, the serial number. That is the serial number. This one is 1727888. It was manufactured 1960. It's exactly the same. Looks like a brand new. That's why I think a lot of typewriter collectors like Olympia, because very the inside the bottom line material there's a very I don't know, very good, or it's very steady. Also SM3 and then SM4 is famous for the keycap, the cushion keycap. What does that mean in cushion keycap? Okay, I'll show you this one. Okay, this one. If you push the keep from the top, then you see there is a movement, right? Like this. That's called the cushioned key cap. Okay, every key like this. See? But SM9 or SM7, something like that. I mean, that kind of model, different keycap. I'll show you. Wait a minute. This one is SM9, the first version, first generation. Second generation, there is no key set, tap clear, tap setup button next to the spacebar. They moved to this side, the second version, second generation maybe, but this one is the first generation. It's like this. I wanna look at the key. It also looks like a brand new, very clean. See, there is no. This is the shift key. Shift key. They have the same function. I mean, cushioned keycap, but except that the other key, no, there is no that kind of a cushion on the keycap. See, that's the difference. So it's called the cushioned keycap, SM3 and then SM4. But this one, SM9, there is no that kind of thing. Just the shift key, they have this one. Okay, let's see. Still a lot of people like SM4 and then SM3, but outside there is no sign for the model name. Just we can find out the look at around here easily with this key means SM4, and then also SM4 left side also has the carry release button, and then right side this the clear all taps one time. Yeah, that's the difference. Still very nice machine. I think it's one of the best typewriter. This one. All right. Thank you for watching.